Gennaro, when it begins in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, beginning it! And we're underway. I think his name was Tim Ryan, ladies and gentlemen, from North Jersey or Westchester, one or the other, I'm not sure he's branded. Our Derek Jeter, Big Ryan Stubich on his farewell tour. Back at Cannoli. With his 8th Cannoli in hand, Jasper Sale, the defending champion, finished. Neck and neck, this man had 31 last year. Lost by 3/4 of the Cannoli. Clean up your mess, ladies, and we'll count against you.
1 minute, 30 seconds into this competition. And these are fast Cannoli, ladies and gentlemen. I was hoping they were going to be fast Cannolis. It's dry out here, not humid, so they're dry. Jasper Sale, your defending champ. Marcos Owen is looking to make a statement here in Cannoli. Badlands Booker. Ryan Stubich. The news here right now, Tim Ryan. Emily Post to be surprised. But Emily Post doesn't know anything about competitive eating. It's all about numbers. It's all about the count. 3:30. More than halfway through.
50 seconds remaining.
2 minutes.
40 seconds. Here's the Major League Cannoli Eating Championship of the world at the Festa. Gennaro!
In the front. It would be his first title, I believe. 1 minute, 33 seconds remaining. Remember the greatest Cannoli in the world, Holy Cannoli, the greatest bakery out of New York City for us in 1992. Of Little Italy in the world. 1 minute remains in the Cannoli Eating Championship of the Festa di Gennaro.
It's the Feast of San Gennaro and 30 seconds remain! We've still got 10 minutes out here in Little Italy. From 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop eating! What is in your mouth will count against the total. Looking at the round tray, the word trough comes to mind. And this mess. Very good effort. One game does not a season make. Ladies and gentlemen, in 3rd place, with 24 Cannoli, last year's champion, this year's loser, Jasper Sale. In 2nd place, with 28 large Cannoli, from the Q-Borough, Linden Boulevard, represent Eric Badlands Booker. And Ernest Lepore, please take the stage with the Luciano Pavarotti Box Set 2014. He's become your champion with his first title and a new world record of 34 Ferrera Cannoli in 6 minutes. San Gennaro Festival, please welcome the new champion, Marcus. The champion of the world, the greatest cannoli eater in the history of the world, the new record of 34 cannoli.
You got the champion. How many cannolis did you eat?
34.
Did you cheat?
No, of course not.
Did you swallow every one of them?
Yeah, I got it all down.
You got some in your nose too. Let me look up your nose.
Yeah, I feel it.
If you want to wash up, just go to Botaro and walk upstairs in the back.
Yeah.
They got a bathroom up there.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thank you for coming. These t-shirts all messed up. You got, oh, they gave cannolis for a free ride. That's
Yeah.
nice. Oh, you got the box. Can you hold up the box for me? Thank you. All right. Thank you, kid. Got all the happy workers. There they are. All right, guys. Big time. Big time. It's a real show. By the way, that's a real show. Thank you, guys. See that work? There you go. You coming back again? You're hungry. That's the champ. Hey, that's the champ.
Maybe 40, who knows?
You think so?
We'll see.
All right.
Franco, F-R-A-I-N-C-O.
You had to think about it, right?
Franco
You know,
Amati.
Franco's working with
Franco
us.
Amati.
Franco, you got sores on your finger for making this? Do you have sores? Yeah, let's see the finger. Let's see the hand. The magic hand. Let me see the magic hand. That's the magic hand, ladies and gentlemen. I made all these pastries. We're going to make the largest cannoli here. It's going to be over 350 pounds. How long is this going to be? How long cannoli? How long?
These are practices.
Oh, practices.
This is
See? It's legit.